getting 32 miles per gallon. Wow. On this episode of Hauling Hoopties with Rob, we pick up a 2010 Ford Fusion Hybrid in North Brunswick Township, New Jersey. Almost missed that stop. Missed that stop.
Head east.
Where am I parking? Straight. Hey, how are you? Picking up ACV? 2010 Fusion? Oh. Yeah, take your time.
These are the keys?
Yep, where they're located?
Should be, if you
I'm right
normally
there,
I
trailer.
recommend you should be able to drive back there.
Okay.
I would say if you back up
This way?
these guys are here. I would go all the way around here on the lot.
Right.
The cars are literally parked right behind the building. If there's something blocking you, just let me know what it is. I'll get somebody to unblock.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. There we go. I think that's it. Good. I want to get done. Load and go. Looks like a trash can in here. I don't know how to work this thing. Oh, check that out. It's electric, or hybrid rather. pretty cool. It's getting 32 miles per gallon. Wow. It's impressive. Alright, locked and loaded. Let's head back to my house because I have no more room at the car lot and see how it runs. Alright, jump in, we'll take it for a spin. Let's take this Fusion Hybrid for a ride, see how it feels. Never had one of these. Works on all electric, the motor's not on, look. Working on completely electric.
You said the motor's not on?
Put that window. It's completely electric right now. I think. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's working 100% electric right now. You know what? Put the seatbelt on. This seatbelt's gonna drive me nuts. These Fords are so annoying. They have the worst seatbelt reminders of any vehicle. So now I think the motor's on. Let me see. Yeah, the motor's on right now. So this has the motor and it works off electric. Feels pretty good. We just got the title for it, so this goes down to the Hoopty headquarters and put for sale. Let's see if it'll work on electric only. Let me see. I don't know how this works. I think this has I think the motor is like a generator and it just charges the batteries. Feels good though. It says 507 miles to empty. Wow, that's a lot. Shift's good. Looks like the battery has. It's got a almost full tank of gas. Does the AC work? Let's see. There's a jump box. Yeah, I see.
That's where the Mr. Bean cars.
Alright, so don't feel too bad. We'll load this up on the trailer. Goes right to Hoopty headquarters. See if there's anything in the glove box.
I never knew that opened.
Yep. Anything in there?
I heard so.
Feels good.
You know this house? That dude owns it.
Yeah. 505 miles to E. It's a pretty good range. 14.1 miles per gallon. That's more than that. Alright, so this is a good buy. It's got 206,000 miles. So that's not too bad. Let's load it up. Take it down to the Hoopty headquarters.
You got him?
Yeah, hold on. Take the tag out. Alright guys, there you have it. 2010 Ford Fusion Hybrid. Should be $24.99. Somebody can buy this, deliver pizza, save some money, do some Uber, or do whatever the hell they want to do. Feels like it runs pretty good. Not too bad. It's got 26 stickers. Put that in the back of the pickup. So I'm using the pickup tomorrow. The F150. Oh, too bad. A little bit of rust here and there. It's not too bad. Fusion Hybrid. This is the first Fusion Hybrid I had. I'm actually quite impressed. I'm not into fruity electric vehicles, but it is what it is. Alright, check out my other videos. Stay tuned.